Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video, right after the intro. Alright y'all, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, alright? So let's get started. Right off the bat, the market is not doing too well, as I have been telling y'all throughout the past few days since the week started. Again, we want to see that sell-off continue. Short sellers, you are in a good position. Continue shorting. I have some puts as well. This thing, I wanted to go down. I really wanted to go down to $4,000. I think it can make it. This right here is not, it doesn't want to last for too long, all right? There's a bear flag on here, actually. There's a bear flag on the chart, which is really good. So this can actually count as one, the first stock, but hey, this is just the overall market. So just keep your eyes out for a continuation to the downside. More selling pressure, more red day, more blood in these streets, all right? So just keep that in mind. I'm very bearish at the moment. Now, the top 3 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. The first one is Netflix. All right, and Netflix, y'all heard from me yesterday about how we do not gamble our money through earnings, right? We don't do that here. We do not buy calls right through earnings. We don't do that because everybody who bought calls over here got crushed. All right, those options, they went to like negative 70%, maybe negative 80% through earnings. This is a nasty drop, very disgusting drop by negative 12%, and right now it's by negative 9. Where is this thing gonna go? I think they added like 3.8 million more subscribers, something like that, but they missed some type of expectations. And honestly, it doesn't even matter. Like, again, the reaction to earnings is unpredictable. Watch this one for a potential continuation down. Like, there may be a little pop over here, and then when the selling pressure really takes off in the market, we might see just a fade. Just a slow fade like this and like this and like this all the way into the close. All right, so just watch for something like that, and be very careful, and don't be too quick to go long either. Again, I'm very short biased, especially given the fact that the market collapsed. All right, the stock collapsed, I mean. So keep that one on your watches for a potential shorts. A bounce would be nice. That way the entry will be a lot more smoother, and hopefully the sell-off is timely. The next one that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is Peloton. All right, and Peloton right now is a beautiful short. To anybody who is shorting this or who have been asking about this one, watch that thing break below here. As soon as it breaks, it's gonna go all the way down to like 100, maybe even like anywhere over here, right? This is a relatively simple one. I like this one. I like the way it's looking. It's been beaten down for quite some time, right? And if you just zoom out, let me just remove everything here. All right, if you zoom out, there's a left head, right shoulder, neckline, very vulnerable. It could drop even further. Again, if we really see that sell-off that we want, like that massive sell-off, we can see this thing continuously tank. And plus, we have the opposite of a runaway gap on the chart right here. Again, runaway gap, it jumps up, it runs up, and it just keeps going out. The opposite of that is it gaps down, and then it never recovers. It just stay down and just keep falling and falling and falling and falling and falling. So we might see this one. So keep Peloton on your watch list for a potential shorts. All right. Watch it for a potential shorts. I'm watching this one for potential shorts, and I want to see this thing drop even lower. All right, maybe even in the 80s within the next few days, but as of today, just watch it for a move down to like 100. The next one that all of y'all should be keeping in your watch list, again, since I've been so bearish with these stocks, let's talk about one that could move in the opposite direction of the market. That way we're not too biased over here. We're gonna talk about PepsiCo, PEP. All right, And PepsiCo, I think this one is, yeah, this one is the Pepsi company. Yeah, it's breaking out right now. It's breaking out of this very bullish pattern, right? Very easy, right there. It's been breaking out on, like, I think this was Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Wednesday today it's up. It wants to go high. I think it wants to touch 150 today. Again, so keep that one in your watches for a potential long. I like this one for a long. I think it can make new highs. Short sellers are very scared at the top. Very scared at the top. And if we can take them out, we might see a huge move all the way up in these regions right over here. All right. I like this one a lot. I do. I really do. These value stocks, they tend to stay very strong when the market is collapsing, which is, I guess, can bring some comfort to people who are very long biased, who don't want to short anything, right? So this one is for you. This one is for y'all investors out there who only go long. All right, so that's the top 3 stocks for y'all today. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. A lot of y'all have been asking me about Tesla. All right, so what is going on with Tesla? It tried to have a move yesterday, right? And I'm pretty sure a lot of people got caught in this. A lot of people got caught into this, and I'm not surprised. And right now the stock is just going sideways and sideways. It's not doing much. Am I bullish on it? No, not really. Am I on the sidelines? Yes, I am on the sidelines. I am watching this thing. Again, when the market is at the top like that, like it has been on like Monday, and it's rolling over so slowly, all right, every stock that is in a tech industry gets hit really, especially the ones in the tech industry. They get hit pretty hard. So be very careful going long on anything at all, or swing trading. You could get screwed. All right, so it's okay to just chill on the sidelines. It's perfectly fine. You don't have to be trading every single day. You really don't have to, unless you really can help it. Unless you see something that's super easy, right? Then, but right now, regarding Tesla, it's looking very vulnerable, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing tank along with the market below 700 even. Let's see right here the daily. Oh, the weekly is even. Yeah. Look at this again. I clicked on the weekly by accident, but just look at the way we are right now. Just look at that. All right, this vertical move. What is stopping Tesla from coming all the way back down here? All right, and consolidating here, or going down even lower ferociously before making another stronger bounce. All right, so just keep that in mind. With the market tipping over like that, it would be nice if it could just tank in this region over here in the 650s, and then we can see another bounce. This is what long-term investors actually like want to see. They want to see the thing tank so that they can get in with more money and buy the dip like they always do. All right, so in regards to Tesla, would I want to be buying it right now? I'm on the sidelines. We will see. It may provide day trading opportunities too. Who knows? The next one that we should be addressing in this video, that stock is PLBY. Let's talk about Playboy. So Playboy actually tanked a little bit yesterday. All right, so it provided this opportunity right here for short sellers to take some money off the table, right? So if you've been shorting since the highs and shorting, it gave you like 1 chance and then 2 chance to get out. And right now it's kind of bouncing. And could it go higher? Yes, it can. If it goes higher, good. Like if it goes higher to, like, I don't know, 50, maybe even 60, that would be wonderful for another shorting opportunity. All right, but as of right now, is it guaranteed? No, not really. Could it just go sideways and produce a dead cat bounce? It definitely could. All right, am I in it? No, I'm not. I took my money off. I definitely took my money off. I'm just chilling right now and just seeing the wait. I'm waiting to see what happens on this one. So I like it. I like the way this thing is looking. I want to see it more vertical, or I want to see a dead cat bounce so that I can short it down. All right. The next one and the last one that we'll be talking about in this video, that stock is CRSP. And CRISPR is pissing off all of the long-term investors right now. It's just going sideways in this range and nobody is winning. I do feel your pain for anybody who is buying these dips and who are waiting for this thing to really like take off. It's been slow right now, and again, the market conditions is not really helping it. And how long is it gonna stay in here and just go sideways? I don't know. I can't tell you that. I have no idea. So, am I on the sidelines? Yeah, I am. Am I watching it? Yes, I am. Could it go lower back to retest it like 108, for example? It definitely could. Again, if we see that sell off, it definitely could. So just be very, very careful out there. That's really all I gotta say about all of these stocks. All right, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate, destroy, obliterate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook and Facebook. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, alright? Very, very careful out there. Be very slow to go long and quick to go short. Well, not quick to go short, but just watch the market with a bear stance. I think it can go lower. I think we can see 4,000. I think the SPY can go to 4,000, alright? Enjoy the outro.